Don't talk to them. Don't agree to talk to them no more. Don't agree to talk to nobody anymore.
One of the criminals who inspired the state's 3 strikes law is now himself a strike away from life in prison. He's on trial once again. However, it's not the charges, but rather a series of phone calls that could lock him up for good. The audio you just heard was played today in the latest trial for Douglas Walker.
Action News reporter Brianna Ruffalo tells us why the recording could put Walker behind bars for good.
Douglas Walker is no stranger to the courtroom or criminal activity. Walker has a background of 2 previous strikes for robbery and attempted robbery back in 1992, and he's now facing a 3rd. He found himself in trouble again a few years ago after allegedly beating up his girlfriend, Carrie Alvarado, and possibly making criminal threats. Alvarado has died since he's been behind bars, so he doesn't have to worry about her testifying. But the phone calls he made to her from jail in 2014 could keep him locked up for life.
Yeah, you don't talk to the DA no more. You don't say one word to them no more. You understand me? Yes.
Walker sat in court Wednesday afternoon while a judge listened to those recorded calls. You can hear Walker tell his girlfriend not to cooperate with a district attorney multiple times. And now he could be facing life in prison for dissuading a witness as his 3rd strike.
Listen, when you show up, don't let the DA, don't even talk to the DA. When the DA tries to talk to you, say, I got nothing to say, I don't want to talk to you. I got nothing to say.
Walker could also face a strike of making criminal threats to Alvarado during the domestic violence incident. Alvarado's neighbor testified she heard yelling and screaming between the couple and saw her after she was beat up, saying Alvarado had bruises all over her face.
Looked like she could have maybe her jaw could have been broken.
Walker also happens to be the criminal behind the inspiration of the 3 strikes law that could now keep him locked up after he was involved in the 1992 Tower District robbery of Kimber Reynolds, who was shot and killed while being robbed of her purse. Walker's trial is set to continue Thursday. In downtown Fresno, Brianna Ruffalo, ABC 30 Action News.